David's Tech now.
Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to use host controls in Google Meet.
First things first, you first open meet.google.com, or as a shortcut to start a new meeting, you can go in meet.new. So I'll just go in meet.new. It opened a new meeting. Allow, lock, dismiss. So it's loading. So I'll just turn off my camera and mic. And now, the next thing you need to do to find Meet controls, which are of the host controls, you can click on the three dots over there. You can go in settings, go in host controls, or you can just simply click on this privacy icon and you get all of these controls. If you click on view all host controls, it will go in the settings. So host management lets you restrict what participants can do in the meeting. Share this screen. When turned off, only host can share this screen. When turned off, only host can send chat messages. Send chat messages. So if I turn off host management, turning off host management lets everyone admit or remove others, mute each other, record the call, control their own mic and camera, present to the call, send chat messages in the call. Turn it off only if you're sure that everyone in the call will act responsibly. So I'll click on turn it off. So all these icons also get boom gone. You cannot edit them and they're actually off. They're disabled actually. So if I turn host management back on, I can turn these off and then turn this off, turn it off. So these are the features of host controls. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye guys.